Hey YouTube, I've been getting a lot of questions lately about the BeastCaps and how much capacity they actually have. And I've got a couple of questions. I mean, how many milliamp hours do they hold? Well, you cannot measure capacitors in milliamp hours. It's almost like asking how many inches are in a gallon. They're completely the measurements cannot work the same. We measure these in microfarads as opposed to milliamp hours. But to give you guys an idea who are not familiar with capacitance ratings, how energetic these are, I have a LED strip here that draws 60 milliamps, and I have a timer, and each of these capacitor units is going to be charged to 12 volts. Actually, I've already done that. They charge instantly. And then I'm going to run them through this 12 volt strip of LEDs, and we're going to test how long they last. Now let's start with the three available models on the market right now. We've got the standard BeastCap. This was the first one to come out. We've got the BeastCap Surface that is double the size of the original BeastCap. And we've got the BeastCap Leviathan. And this is currently the biggest cap pack in the lineup. Now I'm thinking about producing some more, but I'm working very carefully to make sure that we can get you guys some serious extra performance without increasing the weight of these caps too much. So without further ado, let me fire this thing up and let me show you how this works. Now, a bit of a disclaimer before we begin. I should let you guys know that BeastCaps are not designed nor intended to put out energy for long periods of time. When they are connected properly through an ESC, they may only put out a current spike for several milliseconds to upwards of a few hundredths of a second, but that's enough to prevent that voltage sag on your battery to give you guys the extended performance that you need. So this test is not going to be accurate as it would be in a radio controlled vehicle. However, it's going to give you an idea of exactly how much energy these guys hold. Okay, so the first cap we're going to be testing is the original BeastCap. We're going to connect it up to these lights, and I'm going to turn the overhead lights off, and we'll run it until these lights are completely dead, and we'll see how long it takes. Alright, we'll give this guy a 5-second head start while I plug in the battery, or the capacitor rather. Okay, there we go. Still burning. Still going strong. Remember, minus 5 seconds, or about 11 seconds in. While the voltage has decreased significantly, we're still outputting energy here. Wow, this is very impressive. We're beyond a minute, and these LEDs here are still running off of only the BeastCap. LEDs are still operational at 1 minute and 20 seconds. Though you can see that they are getting significantly dimmer as time passes. But the BeastCap is still 100% powering these LEDs on its own. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Nearing the end of our runtime. Alright, we're 2 minutes and 25 seconds in. The LEDs, as you can see, are still lit, but very, very, very faintly. So this is a negligible amount of power that we're giving to the LEDs. It is still being powered, however, only from the BeastCap. And there it is, right there. No change. Being powered entirely from the BeastCap. Now you can't see the glow of the LEDs right now because of the wash of the overhead lights. But let's test the Surface Edition. And let's see what kind of time we get out of that. So remember, 5-second head start. We'll plug it in. Go. Alright, burning a lot stronger. Okay, 1 minute and 10 seconds in. Remember, subtract the 5-second head start. LEDs are still burning bright. Okay, we've just passed our benchmark with the previous BeastCap original, and right now BeastCap Surface is still burning the LEDs compared to the screen on my iPhone. They are similar brightness right now. Okay, so these LEDs are getting very dim and hard to see, so I think I'm going to call it. They will continue burning, however. They will continue burning for a significant period of time, but not with any usable power. And the entire point of having a BeastCap in your system is to have usable power. So the BeastCap Surface, if we stop it right now, runs after 4 minutes of runtime. BeastCap Surface Edition is still lighting the strip of LEDs noticeably. And to prove to you guys that there is nothing else connected, I'll turn the lights on immediately, and you'll see that there is nothing else connected to those LEDs other than the BeastCap Surface. Okay folks, last but not least, the flagship of the BeastCap line, the BeastCap Leviathan. Now this is the strongest BeastCap there is, roughly equivalent to 4 times the output amperage of the original, and also 4 times the storage capacity. So this is significantly powerful, and we're going to do the test exactly the same way as we did before, not changing any variables because we want accurate results. We're going to give it a 5-second head start, and then we're going to plug in the cap. Alright, let's see how it does. Still burning very strong. At 30 seconds in, still burning very strong, roughly equivalent to the brightness of my iPhone screen. See if I can make these a little bit more visible. Okay, 1 minute in and they're still very bright. Okay, minute 35 seconds, still comparable to the iPhone screen. Getting slightly dimmer over time, but definitely hanging in there. Okay, 3 minutes 30 seconds and the LEDs are just barely dimmer than my phone screen. Okay, so we went so long that my phone actually turned itself off, but well over 5 minutes and 10 seconds, the BeastCap Leviathan holds juice. And one more thing, just for a quick chuckle, if any of you own multiple BeastCaps, they are connected in parallel, so each of them is 100% daisy chainable with the next. So, were I so determined to have a ridiculously powerful setup in my RC vehicle, I could chain all of my BeastCaps together, charge them instantly off of a lithium battery, and then run them through even the same experiment. So let's run the same experiment with the daisy chain, if you can see all of it, of BeastCaps. Same experiment, 5-second head start, lights will be going off, so that you guys have an accurate depiction without changing any variables. Ready? Let's go. Six minutes and 30 seconds in, the daisy chain still going strong. Lights are about the same brightness, possibly a little less than my iPhone screen. Alright, and clearly I could keep this going for a significantly longer amount of time, but my phone literally keeps turning itself off. So I'm going to go ahead and clock it at 7 minutes and 41 seconds. Remember, we're -5. And still, in that interim, red lights are still going. So to prove that, once again, nothing else is connected but the BeastCaps, I will flick the lights on and prove to you nothing else other than the cap. Now if you look very, very closely at the red LEDs, you can still see a little bit of red glow even minutes after we shut the timer off. Amazing.